Man, I fucking hate this job. Fucking sandwiches.
I hate sandwiches.
Yeah, of course you don't. Ain't nobody like sandwiches. Ain't nobody even here. Honestly, I don't even know why I got this job.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah, I'm surprised they even got my fucking name right.
Yeah.
Fucking Steben. What are we even doing here? Ain't nobody even eats here. Man. Man, can we even eat the sandwiches in here?
I think we can.
Shit, okay, let me go make myself a sandwich. Man, what the fuck? Ain't got no more tomatoes. Who the fuck ate all the tomatoes? Fucking tomato ass sandwich. Fuck is that? Oh shit, well look at my sandwich. You like it?
There's no tomatoes.
Yeah, I know there ain't no tomatoes. Like, that's why I'm so angry, bro.
I didn't eat all the tomatoes.
I don't even like tomatoes.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm just gonna eat up. Eat some scrub.
I'm gonna go watch some videos.
Man, that shit was ass. Yeah, I'm gonna go watch some videos too.
Oh yeah, fuck these
No,
sandwiches.
so we're just gonna go back. All right, let's go.
Steben, get back to work.
Jeez, there ain't nobody even here. Oh, come on, really? A customer?
Man, I'm about to leave.
Me too. Wait, what the? Hey, I want some meatballs with tomatoes and some good lettuce. What the fuck did he say? He's talking alien shit.
I think he wants some meatball sub.
Meatball sub? All I hear was, man, I'm gonna fucking bring your mom in your face right now. I don't know. Okay, yeah, sure, I'll get your sandwich ready or whatever.
What? You want a cookie? You want a cookie?
Okay! I want a chocolate chip cookie! Give me a chocolate chip cookie right now. Man, fucking stupid special ed guy. Make me a stupid special sandwich. Man, this is why I fucking hate the job. Didn't he say he wanted tomatoes? There ain't no fucking tomatoes! Oh, fuck, I guess I'll put, like, fucking some other vegetable in there. Stupid guy, you know, I'm fucking put my special sauce in that shit. I'm going to the back room real quick.
Alright, here's your sandwich, bro. Want a cookie? What are you doing?
Alright, got a stupid sandwich. Let's ring him up or something. Alright, here's your special ed fucking sandwich.
Look, yeah, thanks.
Jeez, that guy was so annoying. Butards! Oh, come on! Man, what the fuck? You just throwing fucking food at me! I made that sandwich too. Oh man, why'd you get my order wrong? Ugh, that's what you get for getting it wrong.
Yo, he hit you, bro.
He's bad.
Yo, he hit you with the 3 maybe.
Oh, what the hell, man? He gave me a black eye.
This shit ain't worth it. That's
Hell,
crazy.
where is he, man? What the hell?
Steben, may you come to the office?
Alright, Brody, you gotta work this for me. I guess I gotta go there. Stupid. Yeah, you wanted me, boss?
Steben, what the hell?
What did I do? I didn't even do anything. I have video evidence of you violating a customer sandwich. Okay, just want to be honest, that guy was a complete asshole. I don't want to hear it. Just look what you did with the sandwich. Stupid customer. Yeah, that'll teach you a lesson. You're disgusting. Steben, I don't know what to do with you. I'm not gonna fire you. You're not gonna fire me? No, I'm gonna put you in some punishment. Maybe you should put that guy in punishment. He threw his sandwich and punched me in the eye. Steben, I don't know, this is Subway. What do you think I'm supposed to do? Just go back. You two are my only worker. Just don't do some stupid shit again or you will be fired. How'd the sandwich making go?
Doing pretty good. What happened?
I didn't get fired or anything, but he had video footage of me firing a sandwich with my special sauce.
Violent is having a special sauce.
Luckily, he didn't see that. That was my special sandwich, okay? With like special sauce and all that.
I thought that shit would be strawberry.
Let's just go with that. All pieces like strawberries. So. Ah, thank goodness! Finally, I can go home.
Yeah.
Time to clock out. Hey, Brody. I just got some news, too.
Listen, man.
Did you know that one YouTuber got just hit 300 subscribers?
Really? Can you hit 300 subscribers already?
Yeah, you already know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yo, 300 subscribers already?
Oh, yeah, man.
That's
Bro,
in a year.
man, they should give him a 300 subscriber play button.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, but I was so hyped up about that. That like bring up my mood. Surely gonna fix my eye, but fuck, man, that's insane.
That's crazy.
Can't believe you beat that one guy.
But yeah, that guy sucks.
Yeah, super hungry, bro.
Yeah, guys. That guy sucks, guys. Don't subscribe to him. He
Don't
sucks.
Oh shit, Brody, my hair!
Brody, I'm sorry. Yo, I'm sorry. This shit expensive, bro.
Don't you get this uniform?
There ain't no replacement. This shit Louis Vuitton. Man, leave it alone.
No, I got it. Yeah. See, I got it. Man, the lights are going. Where'd you go? All right, let's just go, bro. I'm tired, bro.